Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. Today's recipe is close to my heart as it comes from my own land, Mangalore. So this is a recipe of Mangalorean chicken curry. We usually have many kinds of chicken curry recipe, but then this is one among them. Very easy to make. If you have the masala ground ready already, then this curry doesn't need much ingredients and can be made in just minutes. Very delicious and flavorful too. And those who are new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients what we need to grind this red masala. Here I have taken around 20 pieces of red whole chilli. We locally call this Baery. You can even use red Kashmiri dried chilies. And 1.5 tablespoon of coriander or Dhania seeds. Peppercorns 1 teaspoon and a half teaspoon of fennel seeds, and this is 3 cloves, 3 cardamoms. You can see I have chosen the smallest one. If yours is big, just add 2 pieces, and around 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 small onion, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and these are the ingredients what we dry roast. And here is around 2 inches of ginger and 6 to 7 pods of garlic. So these are the ingredients what we dry roast. You can see I've kept the pan on a medium flame and added the peppercorns, coriander seeds and fennel, only 3 ingredients at the beginning, and dry roast them on a low flame. And then once that was done, I added the chilies. And here the very important step is do not burn the chilies, because it would change the color as well as the taste of the gravy. It would make the gravy bitter. So keep it on a low flame with patience, just like I have shown, just a slight marks of the roasted one, and then here your chilies are roasted already. You can just take it. And then which takes a little bit of more time is the onions. This took around 5 minutes, and we just have to dry roast them so that the water content in the onion is dried now. You can see just the sides were brown, and then I'm done. Here these are all the ingredients what I've dry roasted, and then garlic and ginger were without roasting, just like that, and also the turmeric powder and the garam masalas whole, I added it without roasting. And here are the ingredients what we need for the gravy. This is around 1 kg of chicken pieces cut into small curry size pieces, and this is the masala which you have to grind very smoothly. Just make sure, it's very important you grind it. Even you can use a grinder, but just make sure it is very smooth. And this is the twist to the traditional recipe. I love capsicum, that's why I love adding half cup of diced capsicum to this recipe. Half cup of ghee and half cup of coriander leaves chopped, salt as per your taste, and 2 large onions very thinly sliced. My granny always made this curry just with a small onion, but then I love adding more onions. And also green chilies are totally optional. And 2 large tomatoes or even mediums are fine. Here in a non-stick wok, I have taken the ghee. Once it was hot, I added the green chilies. If you want the curry to be a little bit spicy one, you can add more green chilies, maybe 3 or 4, and then add the thinly sliced onions. To speeden the process, I just added the salt at the beginning, and then was frying this on the medium flame. This may take some time because we really want the onions to be caramelized, I mean light golden brown. Once the onions were translucent, I added the capsicum dices and then fried it for again 5 minutes, and waited till the onions were lightly brown golden in color. Then added the tomato dices. I'm a tomato lover, so before adding the masala, I did not wait till the tomatoes were totally mushy. So it's totally your choice. You can do anything as you like. And here I'm adding the chili paste, I mean what we have ground, and then frying it for about 5 minutes till the ghee leaves its sides. And then added the chicken pieces and mixed it well for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then added the water rinsed, the rinsed water of the mixer. Then added it to the gravy. Here around 2.5 cups of water I have used, because I was making ghee rice, so I preferred it a bit thicker one. If you're making it for plain rice or normal roti, you can add water as much as you require, but just make sure you do not make it very watery. Keep the lid closed on a medium flame and wait till the chicken is cooked. Once it's done, garnish with the coriander leaves and you can switch off the flame. The consistency of the gravy, you can either add more water, or if the gravy is more watery, just keep it on high flame and adjust it accordingly. You can see my gravy was really thick and nice to go with ghee rice. So here is your delicious Mangalorean chicken curry ready to go with rice, roti, or anything you prefer. So do give a try on this lovely recipe and also share it with your friends and family so that they also enjoy this. And coming to my extra points, by adding little bit of salt in an airtight container, you can refrigerate the curry paste until 1 month and use it for any meat recipes. It's really helpful. And do follow me on Instagram and share the picture what you have tried from my channel, the recipes you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. And also do like my Facebook page. I hope till now you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.